Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. Introducing a modern home of 6,027 square feet for sale. It is located at Anderson Heights in Clarendon. It is spacious right within your budget with 5 bedrooms, 5.5 bathrooms to suit your desires. The unit boasts modern fixtures and finishes, two modern kitchens with granite countertops, two dining rooms, in-unit laundry and storeroom, remote control fans, and an air-conditioned master suite with a jacuzzi. The multiple porches with lounge chairs, swings, patio furniture, nature views, and a beautiful garden and backyard farm. Remotely controlled front and secondary entrance back gates, security cameras, a water tank, and a pump as backup water supplies. This house is perfect for corporate purchases, church clergy, family, and young professionals looking for a tropical, intimate place to call home. Tastefully bricked front and backyard with ample parking, 4 cars front and 4 cars back. Being sold fully furnished. Call for a viewing today. Guys, let's take a look at this house and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is Jamaican 40 million or US $259.8 thousand. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.